How to create a business page on LinkedIn. To get started, go ahead and open up Safari on your phone. You can also use other browsers if you want. Go to www.linkedin.com. You will then be taken to the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you can view posts from all your connections and pages that you follow on LinkedIn. Now, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the icon beside the page URL. Then, tap on the three dots below. Here, select Request Desktop Website. You will now be taken to the desktop version of LinkedIn. On this page, go to the top right and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on the Apps icon as shown. Scroll down to the end and tap on Create a Company Page. From here, choose a page type. For example, select Company if you want to open a page for small, medium, and large businesses. Here, fill in the required information to create your page such as name, URL, industry, organization type, and more. You can also add a tagline to briefly describe what your organization does. Once you're done, tick the box below and then tap on Create Page. You have now successfully created a page on LinkedIn. Following these steps, you can easily create a business page on LinkedIn.